Hey guys, Sora here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen, whether you want to play Minecraft, CSGO, or even if you want to record your Xbox. I do not believe this works with PS4 though, so I only found that this works with Windows, Apple, Linux, and Xbox. You can record Xbox too. So today we're going to be using Open Broadcaster software. This is my personal favorite because it's free and it works really well. So to install it, you will need to go to obsproject.com/download. Once you are there, I will put this in the description. Once you are there, you want to download the installer for whatever operating system you have, Linux, Apple, Windows. Personally, I have Windows 10. So I would click download installer, and then it'll say you need to download these two other things. Make sure you download them both. Even if you have a 64-bit computer, make sure you download the 32-bit and the 64-bit. Now once you do that, then you can go back to this, download this again, and then download Open Broadcaster software. Now once you download that, you'll be taken to this, and it'll have you configure some options. I just pressed frame rate over quality, but we will change this later. You do not need to do anything really much in that right now. So to create a new scene, you would go to scene, add whatever scene you want. I would name it screen recording, but since I already have that, I will be naming it another thing. So SC, that's really all you need. And then for your sources, you would add a source, and you would add a source here. For this scene, it'd be for screen recording, it would be display capture. Now for SC though, you would have to add another source, and then add display capture, and then just press OK and all that, and boom, you have whatever I have here, and this records your screen. Not your game Minecraft though. You would have to click game capture, add, and game capture for Minecraft. Well, unless you're playing windowed. If you're playing windowed, then that's display capture. Alright, so next we're going to go into settings. You don't really need to do anything in general or stream because we're focusing on recording. General, you can switch your theme to dark. I think that hurts your eyes less, but you guys can do what you want. So next we're going to go to Outpost. Make sure you have it on advanced and go to recording. Personally, make sure you select any encoder that you have. If you don't have an encoder, I think there's a Time264. Select that. It's not as good, but I have QuickSync from Intel, so that will help me the most. Then make sure your rescale outpost. Usually it'll probably be set on whatever your normal one is. I would just keep that. You can go to target usage balance. That's what I usually do, so it will be balanced in both of them. And then I select it on CBR and a bitrate 30,000. My computer cannot handle 40,000, that's why I do 30,000. If you have a better computer, you can do 40,000 or 50,000. I would not advise going above 50,000, even if you have a beast computer. And if you do have a really old computer, not too old, but if you have old like me, you can downsize. And if you have really old, you can downsize even more than 30,000. So next we're going to go into audio. Make sure nothing's in here. Everything in here, don't mess around with any of this. We don't really need any of this right now. Go to audio. So you're going to want to make sure your audio is whatever your actual audio is. So how you do this is you go down to your volume settings right here. You want to go to recording devices. You want to select your whatever microphone you're using. You want to go to properties, and you want to go to advanced. Now here is my 48,000 HZ, which is 48K HZ up here. So if you have 42, I believe, select 42. If you have 48, select 48. Is it 42? No, it's 44. Okay, whatever one you have, just select whatever one that is in there. I leave it on stereo. That is me. And then don't mess around with these unless you have a desktop audio device 2 or audio device 1. I only use 1, so that's me. And then you leave all these default and disable this one if you don't have any of those. Now if you want to record with your mic, do not select default here. It's not as good. Select whatever microphone you're going to be using, and mine is Realtek high definition audio. select whatever you're going to be using, and then don't enable any of these down here. These don't really matter. Next, we're going to go into video 920 times 1080p. Yeah, basically this one will probably be set to normal for you. I would set this. I would copy and paste this one onto that one, just because it makes the screen look better and it makes the resolution better. Because normally I think it will be set to 720p or 740p. I would select it to 1080p, just copy and paste whatever you have there, and that will be fine for you. Next, hotkeys. These are really useful. I only use two though, and that is to start recording and stop recording. I use left bracket and right bracket. Very simple. You don't have to use these. You can do whatever you want here. You can mess around with this, but it's basically just so you don't have to select a button inside OBS. Like, let's say you're playing Minecraft, CSGO. Instead of actually exiting out of the game and going to OBS and like muting your mic or stopping the screen recorder, you can just press a button while in the game and boom, it ends it. Next, you're going to go to advanced. This section's super important. You're going to want to process priority. You're going to want to have this above normal. Normal does not have as good. Render, I do Direct 3D 11. I would advise you to stay on Direct 3D 11 and NV12. Select that too. Both select those, and then I think you would normally be set onto like below full or like in 602 or something. Make sure you have 609 in full, because these are better and they make the color just pop out more, and it makes it look almost more professional. Mostly all of this now you can leave the same, and pretty much you're done now. You should have a pretty good recording setup. Mess around with your sources, whatever you want to use. I'm using display capture because I'm not recording a game right now. Now, if you wanted to record on your Xbox One, what would you do? You would go down to Xbox down here. If you're on Windows 10, and this only works with Windows 10, you would go into Xbox, and basically once you're in Xbox, there would be a thing where you can like start streaming, and it can stream to your computer. I would select the highest graphics you can on that, and basically it would start streaming to your computer. I cannot do that because it would show my personal information if I go into Xbox, but basically you can it streams it to your computer, and then you can use Open Broadcaster to record what you are streaming on that, like I am here, right here. And basically what it allows you to do is you can record your audio from OBS and record the screen from OBS, but actually recording your Xbox. As long as you will have to sync your computer to your Xbox, but very simple. Just make sure your Xbox is turned on, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what was your favorite part. If you have any questions, again, comment below, and have you guys a nice very day.